find a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. I find a man, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I know, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to a favorite song. When you said you look amazed, I whispered underneath my breath. You heard it, darling, you look perfect tonight. Hi guys, my name is Joanna. What's up? Wherever you are watching, I want to say good morning or good afternoon. How is everyone doing? In today's video, I'm going to continue with that subject that we had about making love or having sex. So today is the part 2. First, let's talk about connection. Like to connect with your partner before having sex. Making love supposed to start way before getting in the bedroom. It's supposed to have an emotional connection between the two people that can be used as a support while having sex. When you are sure of how you feel about someone, it will make it more easier to express it while making love or making sex. Also, ask them what they like when having sex. When you spend time with your partner before having sexual relation, that's better, because that way you will know what he or she like or want, and that will make it better, and you will have a greater sex. You need to know exactly what the person like, what the person need, what the person wants, and he also need to know what you want, what you like, and what you need. Do this person need a lot of kisses and hug, or do this person like to hear a lot of sweet word whispering in her or his ears, or both people together whispering nice sweet word in each other's ears while having sex? Some people like to have a little romance, like flowers, candles. You know what? Talk it through. You need to talk together and make arrangement. That way, both of you will be able to enjoy it and make it how you want it. That's very important. When having sex, take your time. No rush or finish point. Take the time to enjoy each moment. And that way, you will feel better and it will last longer. The last thing I will say today is try to touch every part of your partner body. The genital or intimate part of the body is not the most important thing when making love. Maybe this is the difference between making love and having sex. If you left the genital part and start touching other part of your partner body like neck, ears, scratching the hair scalp, shoulder, back, etc., that will make the sex better and good for your partner. Also, try eye contact. When staring your partner for a little time without saying anything at all, you will see the feeling and the love that will emerge in the eyes. Making love will release feelings that you have for your partner through sex. So, if you want to make love and not sex, the key is to make it more intimate. Make it more emotional than physical. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next part. Bye.